So you are on self-improvement and you do all those good habits like meditation, reading books, exercising, journaling, and etc. So why do you feel so productive and you are able to do all your habits on the weekdays and very unproductive and feel like an average bitch on those Sundays or some days which you are free on those days on which you don't have to do anything or go anywhere? Look, on the weekdays you have your school, then you have your tuitions, then you have any other class that you go. You have a schedule that you wake up, go to school, come home, eat, tuition, eat, sleep. Well, this is a schedule of an average person, but we are not average. So, you on the weekdays you manage to get all your tasks on small little gaps in your days, like wake up, then meditate, then go to school, and then when you come home and eat. And that way you will eat your food fast, and that little time you have left you will read books in that, and then you will go to tuition, then you will return home and do exercise, then exercise, and then you will eat and go to sleep or journal. You manage to put your good habits in these chunks, little gaps in your routine, and that's why you feel very productive because you don't skip school, tuition, and you know what to do on what time. Like before tuition, you have to read books and all, and but then comes Sunday or a day where you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have your schools, tuitions, you're at home all by yourself, and you that day just goes shit and you don't do any of these tasks. You just indulge in every bad habit, like you wake up late, then you binge watch, you watch TV, you mindlessly scroll on your phone, and you mindlessly just sit there and do nothing, and then feel like a bitch at the end of the day, like, and then you regret that why the fuck I was like this today. Well, I was in the same condition as you. I felt very productive and very good on weekdays, but on Sundays or days which I didn't have to do anything, I indulged in bad habit. I wasted a lot of my precious time, a lot, and I know this is probably the same case as you are. You are also struggling with this problem. So the main thing why you are very productive on weekdays is that on those days you have a schedule, you have a timetable, and you know what to do on those times. Like half of your day is sleeping, school, tuitions. You know when to go to school, when you return, and you know when to go to your tuitions, when you'll eat food, when you'll have the time to eat your dinner, and then when you have to go to tuition, you have a schedule, and you know this schedule will be there. Like you know that 5 days later I will go out go in school at the same time, go to tuitions at the same time. You have a schedule, and on Sundays or on days when you don't have these things, the best way to not feel unproductive or waste that days is to make a schedule for it and stick to it. Like on Sundays you have to plan your every hour. Like you're just sitting on Sunday, you look at your watch and you know that it's 5 o'clock, and you have already planned what I have to be doing at this hour, and then you will smash that day. Like your exercises, you probably have rest days on Sundays, and then you feel like I don't have to exercise today, I don't have to go anywhere today, and you feel very unproductive. You feel very less energized on Sundays or on those days where you are empty. So scheduling that would really help you. That this is what really helped me out to win those days on which I used to feel really unproductive and a bitch, that why the fuck I was that. Like, you could plan to go on runs, to go on a park on Sundays, like 6 a.m. you can wake up, then you can 6 to 7 you'll be like your morning routine and your meditations, then 7 to 8 you could go or running, then 8 to 9. You have to make a timetable and plan every hour of your day. So schedule your Sundays or days like there's for some reason on you don't have to go to your school on Wednesday. Plan for that day on Tuesday. Don't be a bitch and like I'll wake up and then I make my to-do list and all now. You have to plan for your day the day before. That what gives you the purpose to wake up early the next day, and you straightly wake up and go and smash your task and smash that to-do list, and you have done all those things, and then be grateful for it that I took this step and I felt very great about myself. So alright, I am Somil Sharma and I have been on self-improvement for the past 2 years, and this was my wisdom or what I have learned in these past couple of years. This is what I look like and this is me now. And then if you have any doubts you want to talk to me or any of some advice you could give to me, because this is my first video, I would be happy to listen from you. You could just comment down. I'm not doing this for any algorithm shit. I just want to know that how to improve myself on this YouTube. If you have any advice or anything, you could just say it to me in the comments box. Alright, bye bye.